Hi friends, what's this Tkinter window? This window we are displaying a combo box where the options are displayed here and there are many names of the students taken from the student table is displayed. But here the options are taken from a remote server where from the data student table the data are taken and displayed, and we have used Json to collect those data from the remote URL and displaying it here as a options for this combo box. We'll learn how to do this. This is the URL or the address here that can be used to get this sample JSON string, and this is the student data. We'll first import our libraries. So import JSON. Now next we'll import our URL lib. So we'll collect the data. So from URL lib request import now URL open. So this will be using to collect our data. So for that, let's just create a string where URL. What is the URL? So I am just pasting it here, the address or the URL, whatever just we have seen that where our JSON string is available. From here, we will collect the data in JSON format and use it as option for our combo box. So I am just writing a object here, URL open URL. Now I got the data here, but this data I have to collect it. It's in the JSON format, so I have to decode it. So for that I am saying data equal to json.load f. Then I have to create a list using list of names only, because you have seen that ID, name, class, mark, student, all different columns are there, but we want only the list of name columns. For that what I am going to do is names equal to slightly confusing, maybe you can use a for loop directly. I am using a short form name because this is the column name. I am interested only in the name column. For r is the variable in data. Now what will happen that this will return me a list of names. I am writing here get a list of names. So there are multiple rows. Each row has a ID, name, class, mark, like that. So I am picking up the name column of a vertical. You just imagine in Excel, it is the name column I am picking up. So that's what is available. Now let's just print it and see whether we are getting the data or not. Print names. So let me save this and run once. Here you can see the list is available here. Let me remove this line. I just commented it and I am pasting now the Tkinter. So here you can see I have imported Tkinter here and TTK, because we are using a combo box. So combo box is a part of TTK. So here it is. Now one more line. Let me just, my underscore W is my blank window. So I'll give the dimensions to it. So my underscore W dot geometry. Now what should be the width and height? I can say whatever you want you can give. I am giving 300 width and 150 height. Only one combo box, so there is no need to go for a bigger screen. Now let me just, though it is not necessary, I'll just add a title here. Now I am saying plus2net.com. This is the title. I'll just write it, adding title. Here also I'll say width, then height. I'll give space, height of window. So you can easily. Now in this I will add a combo box. So combo box required a string variable, though we will not be using in this particular, but usually we'll keep a string variable because that will be connected to the our combo box. Sorry, string var. Now let it be there. I am just writing variable for combo box. Now let's add the combo box, our main thing. CB1. This is just the name, combo box 1. Now it's a part of TTK dot combo box. Now where it will be, my parent window is my underscore W. By default it will take that. Values here equal to names, because names here it is, from here the list will be taken here. So the names are taken from here. Then slightly I am giving width equal to, let me give 15, then text variable, I'll be connecting it to whatever above I am giving a string variable, that I am connecting it. That much. If you want BG, foreground, style, everything you can add to that. So I am not giving anything down. Now let me place it on a grid, otherwise it won't be visible. So grid, now where it will be, row equal to 1, then column equal to 1, pad x equal to 10. So I'm not flushing with the left edge, so giving a slightly edge. So pad y from the top edge, giving a gap of 20. Pad x is from the left edge, pad y from the top and bottom. The gap will be there. That's all. That is the thing. Only we'll see that these options are taken, whatever the names are there, from there. Let me run this and see. Here it is. Let's see. You can see here all the names from the Json string is collected. The names are, though the string is fully collected, but the names are only collected and given here as an option. You can further improve it. Say I want J, in moment I type J here, I can see only the options which contains the character J. For that, what will happen is this J, instead of keeping it in here in this application, this J I will transmit to the remote server, where it will filter it from the database where it is the matching options are there, those matching options. In fact, here only the thing will be transferring the data, the whatever the user has entered, and getting the relevant data from the server, and server end will run the code which will use a query and get the matching records and return. That is where the practically you will be using it. That part we will take it in the next, because you can just download this entire source code and see this, so how it works and all, and then we'll move on to connecting to the remote server with our data and then filtering based on the user inputs. So that's all, friends. I'll request you, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.